Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to write the equation of a line if x and y intercepts are given. I will tell you three different ways to do so. So the first way is using the formula x over a plus y over b is equals to 1, where a is x-intercept and b is y-intercept. Now, this is the easiest way to write the equation of a line if x and y intercepts are given. The second way out is we can use y is equals to mx plus c, where m is slope and c is y-intercept. And to calculate the slope, we have to use the formula m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Third way is we can use the formula y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1, where m is slope and we can calculate the slope using the same formula, which is m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now let's understand how we can use all these three formulas to calculate what can be the equation of a line. In this question, the value of a, that is x-intercept, is equals to 2. The value of b, which is y-intercept, is equals to 3. We have to substitute the values of a and b in the formula. So x over 2, since a is 2, plus y over 3, since b is 3, is equals to 1. Now we have to find out the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is equals to 6. So we have to multiply the first fraction with number 3 so that the denominator will be equals to 6, and the second fraction with 2 so that the denominator is equals to 6. So we'll get here 3x over 6 plus 2y over 6 is equals to 1. So now, since the denominators are same, we'll write on 6 here. 3x plus 2y is equals to 1. 6 will go to this side. So we'll get 3x plus 2y is equals to 1 into 6. The final equation of line is 3x plus 2y is equals to 6. So this is the one way to find out the equation of a line, and this is the easiest way. Now let's understand the other two ways to find out the equation of a line. In the second way, if the x-intercept is given, we can write it as 2, 0, and y-intercept is given 3, so we can write it as 0, 3. That means if I draw a graph here, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That means this is y-intercept, which is 3. This is x-intercept, which is 2. That means if I have to represent these in terms of a point, I can write it as 0, 3. And this one I can write as 2, 0. So we have to find out the equation of a line which is passing through these 2 points, which is 0, 3 and 2, 0. So for that, what we have to do, we will take these 2 points and we'll write x1, y1 for this, x2, y2 for this. Now we have to find out what is the slope using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 3 minus y1 is 0, x2 is 0 and x1 is 2. So we'll get here 3 over negative 2, which is equals to negative 3 over 2. Now, according to the second way, the line of equation can be written as y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope which we have already calculated and c is the y-intercept which is already given equals to 3. So we'll write on here y is equals to minus 3 over 2x plus 3. Y is equals to, now we have to find out again the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So the first one is already 2. The second one we have to multiply with 2. Y is equals to minus 3 over 2x plus 6 over 2. Now, since the denominators are same, we'll write on 2 here. Minus 3x plus 6. This 2 will take to this side. We'll get 2y is equals to minus 3x plus 6. We can take this negative value to this side and we'll get here 3x plus 2y is equals to 6. So we have the same equation which we have got from the first method. Now let's understand the third way to write equation of a line if 2 points are given or if x and y intercepts are given. Now since we have already calculated what is the value for m in the previous method, so the value of m was negative 3 over 2. Now we have to use the next formula. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Now this we have taken as x1, y1. So we'll use the same values of x1, y1 in the formula. So y minus, what is the value for y1? 0 is equals to minus 3 over 2. What is the value of x1? 2. We'll write on here 2. Now y minus 0 is y is equals to minus 3 over 2. We will open the bracket into x minus 3 by 2 into minus 2. So we'll get here minus 3 by 2x. Now minus into minus is plus 3 into 2 is 6. 6 by 2. Now same denominators. We'll write down the denominator once. We'll take this 2 to this side and we'll get 2y is equals to minus 3x plus 6. Now we will take this to this side and we'll get 3x plus 2y is equals to 6. So this is how we can write down the equation of line using the 3 different methods. So whatever the method you feel that it's easy for you to do, you can follow the same method. I hope you understand all the methods and I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and share the video link with your friends and the family. Thanks for watching.